Are you tired of spending so much money on commercial chicken feed? In this video, I'm going to show you how I feed my 200 layer chickens without buying any commercial feed, and they are still laying strong. This secret formula has saved me thousands of naira, kept my birds healthy, and boosted my egg production. Stick around because I'll break it down step by step so you can do it too. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your very first time you've come across this channel, kindly subscribe. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. I really appreciate your love and your support. So, why I stopped commercial feed? When I started poultry farming, I was spending too much on commercial feed. Prices kept going up and profit was dropping. So I had to find a better way. So instead of making profit from my business, I will sell, and then at the end I will pack everything. All the money I will go and buy commercial feed, which means I was just suffering without any profit because commercial feed is taking everything. Feed is increasing on daily basis. Almost every day is increasing. I'll purchase feed this week before I will be able to. Before next week, the price will go high and high. And then I decided to learn how to formulate my own feed to cut down some expenses. What I feed my chickens. Now let's talk about what I give my chicken instead. So what I use in formulating my layers feed is maize, as simple as it is. You see maize, broken corn, that's maize, you can decide to use it, and then wheat bran, and then soya beans, bone meal, limestone, groundnut cake, lysine, layer premix, methionine, salt, and of course a weighing scale. You cannot do without, because when formulating the feed you need to weigh all the ingredients to be able to get the required amount accurately. So the next thing is feeding schedule. I feed my layer beds twice in a day. I feed them early morning and in the evening. That's 2 times in a day. I feed them early in the morning and then in the evening. They also get fresh water. Sometimes I'll add ginger to their drinking water, or garlic, or sometimes papaya leaves to their drinking water. Result and egg production. Look at the result. My birds are healthy and lay well, and I'm not spending on feed anymore. And this system works very well. It works well as long as you are consistent cleaning and monitor your birds closely. That's supposed to be your daily routine. Monitor your birds and then watch them closely every morning to be able to know, to be able to identify if there is maybe one bird that is not feeling well. You will be able to identify. Not that you only feed them in the morning, not that you'll be rushing to feed them and then you'll be rushing out. No. You are to feed them and then stay behind, watch how they are feeding before you'll be able to go out. So these are my birds. Can you see them? They are very smart. So we've already collected eggs in the morning, and I'm making this video towards evening, and some are still laying. Look at the healthy eggs, big eggs. Look at that. When your birds are healthy, be rest assured that you will always be counting your profit on daily basis. Yes, and this is what I call daily income, my own daily income. If you are into layers and if they have started laying, there is nothing will stop you from touching money every day. Every day you'll be touching money. This is my daily income. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share with other farmers. Don't forget to subscribe for more poultry farming tips. And also I have a video on this channel on how to formulate layer feed.